Welcome to From Me to English, where English becomes simple, step by step. Part 1. Shopping for clothes.
Tom, look at your shirt.
What? My shirt?
Yes, it looks old and too small.
Too small?
Yes, it looks tight.
Tight?
Tight means small, not comfortable. Example. My shoes are tight. My feet hurt. Shadow me. This shirt is too tight.
This shirt is too tight.
Good. The opposite is loose. Loose means too big. Shadow me. These jeans are too loose.
These jeans are too loose.
Perfect. Tight means too small. Loose means too big.
Okay, so my shirt is tight. I need a new one.
Right. Let's shop. We can look at t-shirts.
I like blue.
Blue t-shirt. Nice choice. Shadow me. I like a blue t-shirt.
I like a blue t-shirt.
Excellent.
But what size?
Size means small, medium, or large.
Small, medium, large. Okay.
You are not small. Medium is good.
Medium. Okay.
Shadow me. I wear a medium size.
I wear a medium size.
Now, let's talk about price.
Price?
Price means how much money it costs.
Ah, price.
This t-shirt is $10. Shadow me. How much is this t-shirt?
How much is this t-shirt?
Perfect question in a shop.
I like it, but I want to try it first.
Yes, try it in the fitting room.
Fitting room?
Fitting room. It means a small room where you try clothes. Shadow me. Where is the fitting room?
Where is the fitting room?
Excellent.
Okay, I try it. It feels good. Not tight, not loose.
That means it fits.
Fits?
Fit. It means a good size for your body. Example. These shoes fit me. Not big, not small. Shadow me. This t-shirt fits me.
This t-shirt fits me.
Wonderful! Fun fact. Did you know many shops use special lights in the fitting room?
Special lights? Why?
To make your skin look nice and the clothes look better.
Really? The light makes me want to buy more?
Exactly! It's a shopping trick. But Tom, shopping is not only about fashion. Clothes can change how you feel.
Change how I feel?
Yes. If you dress well, you feel confident.
Confident?
Confident means you believe in yourself. Shadow me. Clothes can give me confidence.
Clothes can give me confidence.
Exactly. Today you learned tight means too small. Loose means too big. Fit means a good size. Size, small, medium, large. Price, the cost of clothes. Fitting room, a place to try clothes. Confident means believe in yourself. Shadow me shirt is too tight.
This shirt is too tight.
These jeans are too loose.
These jeans are too loose.
This t-shirt fits me.
This t-shirt fits me.
Clothes can give me confidence.
Clothes can give me confidence.
Perfect. You learned English and a little life lesson.
Shopping is not only fun, it's learning too. Part 2. Pants and jeans.
Tom, you have a new t-shirt. What's next?
Pants. My pants are too old.
Old and maybe too short.
Short?
Yes, short means not long enough. Example, these pants are short. My legs look funny. Shadow me. These pants are too short.
These pants are too short.
The opposite is long. Long pants, short pants. Shadow me. I want long pants.
I want long pants. Okay. I see many jeans.
Yes, jeans are very popular. Do you know types of jeans?
Types?
Yes. Skinny jeans, straight jeans, baggy jeans.
Baggy?
Baggy means very loose, very big. Example, baggy jeans are wide and comfortable. Shadow me. These jeans are baggy.
These jeans are baggy. I think I like straight jeans.
Good. What color?
Blue. Classic.
Perfect. But let's check the pockets.
Pockets?
Pocket. It means a small bag in pants or jeans where you put things. Shadow me. My phone is in my pocket.
My phone is in my pocket.
Fun fact. Jeans were first made for workers more than 150 years ago.
Workers?
Yes. They needed strong clothes. That's why jeans are still popular, because they are strong and last a long time.
Wow. Jeans. They are strong clothes. For many years.
Okay, Tom, try the jeans in the fitting room.
Oh, these jeans fit. Not too tight, not too loose.
Great! Now, how do you feel?
Comfortable.
Comfortable means nice, easy, no problem. Shadow me. These jeans are comfortable.
These jeans are comfortable.
Tom, remember this. Clothes are not only about style.
Not only style.
No, comfort is important. If you are comfortable, you can focus, work, and smile more.
Comfortable clothes means happy me.
Exactly. Today you learned short, long, skinny, baggy, pocket, comfortable. Shadow me. These pants are too short.
These pants are too short.
My phone is in my pocket.
My phone is in my pocket.
These jeans are comfortable.
These jeans are comfortable.
Perfect. Pants and jeans, done.
Part 3. Shoes and accessories. Ashley, I also need shoes.
Yes, your shoes are broken.
Broken?
Yes, look, the bottom is open. That means broken. Shadow me. My shoes are broken.
My shoes are broken.
What kind of shoes do you want?
Sneakers?
Sneakers are good for walking. Or do you want sandals?
Sandals?
Sandals are open shoes for hot weather. Shadow me. I wear sandals in summer.
I wear sandals in summer.
Okay, let's check size again. Shoe sizes are numbers.
Numbers?
Yes, for example, size 40, size 41. My shoes are size 41.
My shoes are size 41.
Fun fact, did you know in some cultures, people never wear shoes in the house?
Really?
Yes. For example, in Japan, people take off shoes and wear slippers inside.
Oh, so shoes are not only fashion, but also culture.
Shoes are important. But don't forget accessories.
Accessories?
Yes, things like belts, hats, scarves.
Belts?
A belt is something you wear around your waist. It keeps pants up. Shadow me. I need a belt.
I need a belt.
Accessories may look small, but they can change your style.
Change my style?
Yes, a simple belt or watch can make you look professional.
Small things, big effect.
Exactly. You learned sneakers, sandals, shoe size, belt, accessories. Shadow me. I wear sandals in summer.
I wear sandals in summer.
My shoes are size 41.
My shoes are size 41.
I need a belt.
I need a belt.
Perfect. Now you look great.
Part 4. Paying and reflection.
Okay, Tom. You have a t-shirt, jeans, shoes, and a belt.
Yes, many things. But now, I must pay.
Right. Time to pay at the cashier.
Cashier?
Cashier means the person who takes your money in the shop. Shadow me. Where is the cashier?
Where is the cashier?
Do you want to pay with cash or card?
Card.
Good. Say, can I pay by card? Shadow me. Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Perfect. Fun fact. Shops play music to make people buy more slowly and spend more.
Really? Music makes me shop more?
Slow music makes people walk slow and buy more.
Wow. Shops are smart.
Okay, you paid. How do you feel now?
I feel happy
Why?
because I have new clothes. They fit, they are comfortable, and I feel confident.
Wonderful. Tom, remember, shopping is not about buying many things.
Not many things?
No, it's about choosing what is useful and what makes you feel confident.
Useful and confident. I understand.
You learned today, cashier, pay by card, cash, confident. Shadow me. Where is the cashier?
Where is the cashier?
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Clothes can make me confident.
Clothes can make me confident.
Perfect, Tom. You shopped, you learned English, and you learned life lessons.
Yes, shopping is English learning too.
And that's the end of our shopping trip.
Yes, I learned many new words today.
Great job, Tom. And you too, my friend. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to From Me to English for more slow and clear English. And check the free PDF in the description. It has today's story, vocabulary, and practice exercises so you can review and learn better.
Small steps, big change.
Exactly. See you next time.